Ever wanted to share a specific part of a YouTube video without the hassle? Now YouTube Mobile makes it super easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to imagineX. Today we're diving into a cool new feature on YouTube Mobile that lets you share specific moments in videos without the old URL editing headaches. Previously, sharing a precise video moment on your phone meant manually tweaking the URL. What a hassle, right? But now YouTube does the work for you. With this update, when you share a video from your mobile device, YouTube automatically adds a timestamp based on where you're watching. No more fumbling with URLs. Just hit share, and it takes your friends right to the moment you want them to see. However, keep in mind you can't yet manually enter the exact timestamp. You'll need to scrub through the timeline to fine-tune. This feature is perfect for sharing key moments from tutorials, long videos, or any clip you want others to see instantly. Plus, it boosts engagement for creators as viewers can now easily share and discuss specific parts of a video. Are you excited about this new sharing feature? Let me know in the comments. If this update sounds useful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to imagineX for more interesting tech updates.